there be an iPhone 9 at all? On February 19, 2020, the iPhone, which has many names, iPhone SE2 and iPhone 9 is simply the most popular of them, and which does not officially exist in nature, appeared in a 15-second video. During the months of virtual existence, on the basis of data of unknown origin, the enlightened public painted in their imagination what it would be, down to the smallest detail. But it's better to see once than imagine many times. In the video, iPhone 9 is completely different. Analysts continued to speculate, the first leaks come from China. Is what happened in 2010 repeated? In January 2010, the then-developed iPhone 4 was featured on a Vietnamese site. The photos were of terrible quality, but according to legend, they were taken secretly, somewhere in China, risking their lives, but the experts did not buy and recognize these photos as fake. The photos were iPhone 4, they were real. And on March 18, 2020, the top-secret iPhone 4 fell into the wrong hands. Was bought for $5,000 in 2010 by the electronic edition of Gizmodo, and it was already lit up to the full. Anyone who was interested could read about his autopsy until the material was removed from the site at the request of Apple. High-quality images, view from the outside and inside, with explanations of specialists and bold assumptions. And all this was true. And now, February 2020, on the TikTok video, in which an unknown iPhone model is shown from all possible angles. And this is not at all iPhone 8 with a modern filling. Someone says that this is true, someone, that a fake. And what do you think? An unknown iPhone proposed to the public, us and you. According to experts, is the iPhone 8 or another smartphone similar to it? Only in the purchase case changing its appearance. Such cases are sold, they are willingly bought by everyone who does not like the miserable design of their iPhone and those who unbearably want to stand out. For a number of signs, wallpapers, outdated video applications, etc., iOS 12 was installed on the phone. Experts, as in January 2010, recognize the device shown in the video as fake. Not all arguments are equally convincing. For example, outdated video applications can be installed on iPhones sold in China due to restrictions and prohibitions of the local regulator. But some of them are worth considering. Cosmetic changes in the design are not in her style. Apple is very reluctant it changes, but if it changes, then radically, beyond recognition. And the iPhone 9 in the video has exactly the same screen as the iPhone 8. Most likely, this is a fake. 9 out of 10. Soon we will find out for sure. And how soon? Share your opinion on this in our Telegram chat.